Unlock pro-level audio for your Canon Eos Rp, ditching the cables and embracing the freedom of wireless microphones. First, let's talk compatibility. Your Canon Eos Rp, like most modern cameras, primarily uses a 35mm TRS microphone input. This means you'll need a wireless microphone system that comes with a receiver featuring a 35mm output. Popular choices like the Rode Wireless Go 2, DJI mic, or Sennheiser Evolution wireless series are excellent options, offering reliable connectivity and portability. Once you have your wireless system, ensure both the transmitter, the part the talent wears, and the receiver, the part that connects to your camera, are paired and powered on. Now, let's connect physically. Locate the 35mm microphone input port on your Canon Eos Rp. This is usually found on the side of the camera, often next to the headphone jack. Take the provided 35mm TRS cable from your wireless receiver and plug one end firmly into this port. Next, attach the wireless receiver to your camera's hot shoe. Gently slide the receiver's mounting foot into the hot shoe until it clicks into place. This provides a secure physical connection and often powers the receiver directly from the camera. Time for camera settings. Power on your Canon Eos Rp. Navigate to the camera's menu, typically by pressing the menu button. Look for the audio or sound settings. This might be under the movie shooting tab. Within the audio settings, find the microphone option. You'll need to select external or mic in to tell the camera to prioritize the signal from your wireless receiver over the built-in microphone. Crucially, you'll want to adjust your audio levels. Look for audio recording level or audio gain. Start with the receiver's output level at its default or a moderate setting. Then, on your camera, begin with the input level at a low setting. Aim to have your audio levels peaking around 12 to 6 decibels during normal speech. Avoid peaking into the red, as this will cause distortion. Before you start recording your main footage, always do a test recording. Speak naturally and listen back to the audio through headphones connected to your camera's headphone jack if available, or review the footage playback. This ensures your wireless microphone is transmitting a clean signal and your levels are set correctly. With these steps, you've successfully connected your wireless microphone to your Canon Eos Rp, paving the way for crystal clear audio in all your vlogs and filmmaking projects.